Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever we upload a video. And thank you for all your love and support on all our videos. It really means a lot to us. So today we're going to talk about the Sigachi IPO, GMP and caustic rates. Sigachi Industries is engaged in manufacturing of microcrystalline cellulose, which is widely used as an excipient for finished dosages in the pharmaceutical industry. MCC has varied applications in the pharmaceutical, food, nutraceuticals, and cosmetic industries. The company manufactures MCC of various grades ranging from 15 microns to 250 microns, and the major grades of MCC manufactured and marketed by the company are branded as Hicel and Acel. Presently, the company manufactures 59 different grades of MCC at the manufacturing units situated in Hyderabad and Gujarat. The company has an in-house R&D division equipped with the necessary facilities to carry out all the necessary trials to develop new molecules from concept to commissioning. Sigachi has received various quality certifications and operates three manufacturing units, namely Unit 1 situated at Hyderabad and two manufacturing units, Unit 2 and Unit 3 situated at Jagadia and Dahej in Gujarat. As of March 31st, 2021, the company's total MCC manufacturing capacity is 13,128 MTPA from three locations. The competitive strengths of the company are as follows. It is one of the leading manufacturers of MCC in India. It has long-standing market presence in pan-India and internationally. It has an experienced management team. It has wide product portfolio and ability to serve diverse end-use applications. It has long-term relationships with customers in diverse industry verticals. It has investments and a strong focus on R&D. It has quality assurance and quality control in products and facilities. It is strategically located, multi-locational and manufacturing facilities, and it has government incentives. The objects of the issue are as to why the company is being listed are as follows. The primary reasons are for the funding capital expenditure, for expansion of production capacity for MCC at Dahej, Gujarat of approximately 28.15 crores, for expansion of production capacity for MCC at Jagadia, Gujarat of 29.24 crores, for funding capital expenditure to manufacture CCS at the proposed unit 32.29 crores, and for general corporate purposes. The company financials are as follows. If we take a look at the company financials, according to brokerage house Reliance Securities, the IPO is valued at 16.6x fiscal year 2021 and 13.9x fiscal year 2022 annualized earnings, which looks pretty attractive. While there is no listed peer for the company in MCC manufacturing, SIL still maintains a leadership status in MCC product with a market share of over 65%. In a similar note, financial service expert Anand Rathi Group states that the Sigachi Industries IPO will have a reasonable valuation. At the upper end of the IPO price band, Sigachi Industries Limited is offered at a PE of 15.1x its TTM earnings with a market capitalization of rupees 5,011 million. Given the sustained demand environment for MCC from various industries and the expansion program, earnings growth momentum looks sustainable. Notably, SIL has been paying dividend consistently for the last 3 years, which bodes well. Additionally, the OCF yield at 5.9% and ROE at 32% as of fiscal year 2021 augur well, hence we recommend to subscribe to the issue. The IPO details are here under. The IPO opens on November 1st, 2021, closes on November 3rd, 2021. It is a book-built issue IPO with a face value of rupees 10 per equity share and an IPO price ranging from 161 to 163 per equity share. The market lot and the minimum order quantity are 90 shares. It's going to get listed at the BSE and the NSE with a total issue size of 76 lakhs 95,000 equity shares of rupees 10 aggregating up to 125.43 CR. You can take a look at the Sigachi Industries IPO GMP caustic and subject to saw the rates over here. The timetable is here under. The IPO opens on November 1st, 2021, closes on November 3rd, 2021. The basis of allotment date takes place on November 10th, 2021. The initiation of refunds takes place on November 11th. The credit of shares to demat account takes place on November 12th, and the IPO finally gets listed on November 15th, 2021. The Sigachi Industries IPO market lot size is 90 shares. A retail individual investor can apply for up to 13 lots or 1170 shares or of rupees 1,90,710. So that will be all from my side for this video. I hope the video was helpful and informative for you all. Please stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye. See you.